Hello everyone and welcome to our video comparing two of the most high-end processors in the market, the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 9. We will be taking a closer look at their features and performance to help you decide which one is right for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. When it comes to pricing, the Intel Core i9-12900K is available at approximately $358, while the AMD Ryzen 9 is priced at around $411. So, if you're on a tight budget, the Intel processor might be the more affordable choice. However, if you're willing to spend a little extra for performance, the AMD Ryzen 9 might be the way to go. Both processors are designed with advanced architectures, making them highly efficient and powerful. The Intel Core i9-12900K features the 10nm Intel 7 architecture, which delivers improved performance per watt. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 9 is based on the AMD Zen 4 Feet architecture, which offers cutting-edge technology for ultra-fast performance in gaming and other demanding applications. The AMD Ryzen 9 is ahead of the game when it comes to cores and processing threads, with 12 cores and 24 processing threads, which makes it an ideal choice for demanding applications such as video editing and gaming. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-12900K features 8 cores and 16 processing threads, which is still impressive but not as advanced as the Ryzen 9. When it comes to cache memory, the Intel Core i9-12900K offers an impressive 30 MB of L3 cache memory, which provides excellent hit rate and short access time, enabling improved system performance. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 9 has 76 MB of cache, which is more than double that of the Intel processor and operates at faster DDR5-5200 speeds, giving it an incredible edge in tackling demanding tasks. The AMD Ryzen 9 is designed for state-of-the-art socket M5 platform, which can support PCIe 5.0 on select 600 series motherboards. This means that it is future-proofed and can handle the latest hardware advancements. The Intel Core i9-12900K, on the other hand, features socket LGA1700, which is also designed to support future generations of processors and hardware. So there you have it. A comparison of the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 9. Ultimately, it depends on your personal preferences when it comes to choosing the right processor for your system. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching.